Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens 8-box Stature break number 3252. So before we get rock and rolling here, current date and time. It's currently Monday, October 31st at 7:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Monday, October 31st at 10:46 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. So happy Halloween. So live on Breakers, live on YouTube. Refresh this. Just posted a 10-box mixer there for Saturday. Definitely check that out if you guys are interested. Of course, for anyone who hasn't joined our Facebook group, you can find us there as well. And the team buys: Ly York 55 with the Ducks, going down to Lyle with the Flyers, and the Penguins AUTSA going out to Abha 98. So here we go, guys and gals. Appreciate again everyone for watching and joining. And best of luck to everyone in the break, and happy Halloween again. So 0481 is our case number, and we got platinum or Stature again for you guys tomorrow. Good luck, everyone. Lots on. So kicking off with John LeClaire base for the Flyers. We got Thomas Chabot for the Ottawa Senators. Jack Rathbone 399 for the Canucks. And Patty Waugh 22/75 Century Momentous for the Avalanche. And Drew O'Connor at a 175 for the Penguins. Hey Chris. And Wayne Gretzky 15/75. Nice in there. Waugh and Gretzky in the same one. And Protege auto Alexander Alexeyev for the Capital, or for the Caps. And Protege Shane Bowers. Not too bad of a first box to kick us off. Box 2. Elias Lindholm for the Flames. Drew Doughty for the LA Kings. We're giving the Blues a whooping today. And Alexander Ullison for the Calgary Flames. Hayden Verbeek for the Avalanche. Or sorry, for the Canadiens. Ugh. My bad. And Sasha Shemalevsky for the Sharks. And Roman Josi, number 2/45 for the Preds. And Nils Hoglander green for the Vancouver Canucks. That's in there, going out to Cat Sass Collectibles and Gravitas of Andrei Vasilevsky. Box 3. Mike Richter for the Rangers. Mackenzie Blackwood for the Devils. And Michael McNivian 399 for the Canadiens. And Phil Esposito out of 149. One is going out to New York. And Century Momentous Mike Gartner for the Coyotes. And Hayden Verbeek 62/85 for the Habs. And patch auto 2/12. Ryan O'Reilly. Nice. 4 colors. Cebados. Sebastian. And Gravitas of Connor Hellebuck. Now to the Jets. Sanghu Wang. Okay, box 4 everyone. Base Austin Matthews for Toronto. Toronto struggling this year. Got Tuukka Rask for the Boston Bruins. And Oli Uolevi $3.99 for Vancouver. And Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. And Pavel Francouz for the Avalanche. And Jonathan Marchessault, number 40/85 for the Vegas Golden Knights. And Black Pius Suter 13/20. And I think it is rookie. It's going out to Costas. And POD 26/35 for the Jets. Going Upha. And Protege Bonebyram. I think this card's a little bit wider than the standard base cards. On to box number 5 here. Moving those ones back. We got Leon Stature for the Oil. Ryan Suter for the Minnesota Wild. And Jake Onger color match 87/175. Fortunately, he's out for a week or two for the Stars. And Pius Suter $3.99 for Chicago. And Martin Brodeur $1.75. And Ryan Suter 22/85 for the Wild. And Tuvo Teravainen for the Carolina Hurricane. Carolina going to be double dipping on autos. Going to Vive. And Protege Morgan Geekie going up to Carolina. Double dipping on the autos. And Matthias Brome for the Red Wings. Too shabby there. Okay, on to wow, I don't know what's going on. This one won't let me cut it open. I did not want to rip. Okay, kicking off with Steve Yzerman for the Red Wings. John Gibson for the Anaheim Ducks. Just the Stature base. And Kirill Ostamenko for the Flyers. Yeah. And Gravitas of Kenny Malkin, green. 149. Sadly, the butter knife was working better than this one. And Mark Scheifele at 85. And a black, number 4/20, Nicholas Boudin. Going out to Chicago. Going to Costas. And Brady Tkachuk, number 2/65. Going to Kiera. And Gordie Howe, Century Momentus for the Red Wings. Box number 7. We got the Dominator for the Sabres. He's going to be in Toronto next week. And Oliver Ekman-Larsson for the Coyotes. Oh, yeah. So, that's Coyotes still. Nicholas Malouche for the Sharks. Cole Smith portrait 54 of 99 for the Preds. Mackenzie Blackwood 175 for the Devils. And looks like another black, or no. Alexander Ullison, I think this is a red out of 85 for the Flames. And how about Alexi Lafreniere green 18 of 49. Nice hit, Rangers. Go to Andrew. There's your Laffy. Nice hit, Andrew. Finally getting that Laffy auto you've been looking for. And Nolan Foote. I think you've been looking for Laffies. So there's a little bit of time to turn things around. And box number 8. Slide down to wrap up our Stature. We got Stature again tomorrow night and extended series. I think we got Black Diamond on Wednesday. So we got Century Momentous for the Canucks. Matthew Barzal for the Isles. Philip Broberg $3.99 for the Oil. And Gravitas of Matthew Barzal 18 of 75 for the Islanders. And Alexei Hiponemi out of 149 for Florida. And Victor Olofsson rookie Reliance. Going out to the Sabres. Gonna battle collectibles. And a Philip Khrushchev at 199. Going out to Chicago. And Century Momentous of Grant Fuhr. Going out to the Oil. So there we have it, guys. So appreciate again everyone for watching and joining here.